Right now? Okay. Hi, my name is Kristen. I taste like diarrhea. And milk is calcium. And I taste like diarrhea. And
You're supposed to look at the camera.
diarrhea. And yeah. And battery head. And Kristen.
You're not funny.
And diarrhea. And wash it. And ashes. And that's all. What? Let me see. Then
You want to drink some milk?
sure.
Oh, hold on. Ben, look. Ben, look over there. You want some milk?
No.
Why not?
You spit in it.
No, look. There's no spit.
Yeah.
I swear to God.
No.
See, look.
Look, he just drinks them. He didn't spit, Ben.
She did.
Oh, it didn't taste. I swear to God.
You taste like diarrhea.
See? Ben, look. Look, Ben.
I taste like diarrhea. I taste
Ben, if you don't drink it, you're going to have to go to your room.
like diarrhea. I taste.
You guys are boring.
Well, tell Ben to drink it.
Drink it.
Oh, awful.